Ladies and gentlemen of the Tundra Nation, do not click away. You're about to see one of the coolest things I've ever come across. I can't wait to share it with you. Wife and I went here last night for dinner, had a wonderful time. I had to film a video here, so welcome to Seed to Table. It seems pretty unassuming. It seems like, what's so important about this? Well, stick around. You're about to find out. So here we are, Seed to Table, ladies and gentlemen. The coolest freaking grocery store I have ever seen. All kinds of cool and crazy wild shit here. I know this isn't a gun video, but I had to show this to you guys. It's gun adjacent. It screams freedom. It screams a perfect snapshot of Americana in the time that it is right now. Hey folks, I know you're watching the video, but I wanted to tell you guys about this chance for you guys, our subscribers and our friends, to help support the channel. We've partnered with fanofthem.com, a veteran-owned organization which we absolutely support, to bring you guys a chance to win the Zev Heartbreaker. Yeah, you guys heard me right. $3,200 pistol. We're just casually giving it away. All you got to do is click the link down in the description. Go to fanofthem.com/Tundra Tactical. Buy a limited edition collectible. That's harder than you think it is to say. Or digital downloads too. And you can get some cool merch. Not only that, but a chance to win the Heartbreaker as well. Seriously, it's the greatest giveaway of all time, at least in the Tundra Nation's history, folks. Go check out fanofthem.com. Veteran-owned business. What better way to support them than to support us too? 2 for 1 Heartbreaker, and well, there's going to be one lucky fan very soon. Yeah, you can drink here while you're shopping. It's pretty dope. Check this out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I told you could do it. Here it is. We're having some beer while we're doing some shopping. We're waiting for Megan's drink right now. But, I mean, seriously, isn't this the coolest freaking thing you have ever seen? Megan, show them a little bit about what's around us right now. I mean, you're not hurting on selection here for wine, for sure. You can, by the way, you can buy all this stuff. You can drink it while you're shopping around in the store, which is exactly what I am doing right now. However, I have lost my wife. Uh-oh. Crap. There she is. Sorry, I lost you. Fear me. Might be. Megan, what do you think of this place?
I think it's amazing. It's very good.
Yeah.
Look at me. Look at all this wine.
Yeah, this is Megan's, like, literal heaven.
I can't drink it now, but hey.
She's like a Roman emperor. Wine. Give me wine.
Give me wine.
Wine. Bonita Springs, Florida has a bit of a gem here. I'm showing it to you right now. That's Donald Trump riding a cat with an AI-generated AR-15. Hey, if you ever find yourself in this outstanding establishment where you can drink beer, shop for groceries, and order a freaking medium rare steak that will just blow your mind, go into the bathroom. You'll thank me later. Trust me. If this wasn't cool enough, this is exactly what you might think it is. This is a place where you can drop your dang kids off as you're shopping around. It's called the Little Farm. All right, well, there's the checkout and all that fun stuff, along with some fresh bakery items.
Thanks for watching this Tundra video, ladies and gentlemen. If you're looking for a suppressor, look no further than Dead Air Suppressors. It's the best suppressor in the entire world. Definitely beats anything that China has. Mike Pappas is the coolest guy in the entire world, and JD Vance is definitely a thing. Make sure to go check him out. Check out the Sandman X. I don't know if it's going to be the best suppressor in the world, but they tell me it's the best. And this is a terrible Trump impersonation.
Imagine how hilarious it would be to just get fucking shit-housed on beer and then just start recording pro-gun fucking rants in this store. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going guerrilla camera mode, moving in because it's pretty tight in here. I'm trying not to leave the wife behind. Hi, Meg. And we are on our way into the upstairs area, which is going to turn into like a freaking bar, nightclub, and a restaurant of really good food. Like, this is a no shit, like, actual sweet restaurant as well. Also, look at how bushy the beard is. Haha. All right, up we go. It is turbo sunny. I'm sorry I'm not recording on the nice camera right now. We just decided to do this kind of on the spot, but look at this as you come upstairs. Seriously, look at how freaking dope this is. Right, you got the bar over here. You do have an elevator right in front of me. You'll see it in just a second, along with a Chiquela bar. I'll check back in with you guys in just a sec. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how much cooler a place can get. Like I said, it captures a perfect snapshot of the outstanding Americana you can feel if you just stop taking yourself so fucking seriously all the time. And that's something, huh?
It's awesome.
It says it's awesome. How many can you guess on there? I got like 15.
You got 14 more than me. I got
There you
Trove JD Vance.
All right, here, let's see. We'll do it. Where's Waldo? All right, so RFK.
Here's my man Elon.
Yeah, here's RFK.
Gosh, Islam.
Elon, there you go. Who's this? Is this Dana White? I'm thinking that might be Dana White. Like a super turbo buff. That's Kid Rock.
There you go.
There is the Nuge, Ted Nugent.
Oh, that's at the Elder or whatever. Yeah, he's on 5.
There you got Nugent right here.
Okay.
Allegedly Brett Favre,
Brett Favre,
I guess.
Not a good picture.
All right, great. To the Hulk, let's go. Who else we got? Let's go over here. Okay, there's
yeah, his son.
Yeah, his son and Joe,
The other son.
Don Jr.
All 3 of them, maybe.
Yep. That's the whole
that's
family
the
up
daughters.
there. Yep, that's the whole family up there.
That's the whole thing.
Who do we have in this? Oh, Alex Jones makes an appearance right here. There's Trump. Is that both versions of Alex Jones? No, I'm just kidding. What else do we have?
I think that's your data mark.
No, that's Alex Jones. Oh, shit, I shouldn't touch it. Yeah, so this is InfoWars. That's the Alex Jones show. So I'm going to make the assumption it's him. And there's the main row. Look at this.
Oh, this is our guy from Michigan. He's a hustle rep guy.
All right, somebody count that up. How'd we do? You're going to be famous.
I didn't do very many.
All right, well, we got enough. We got enough to make an entertaining video on it, but I appreciate you rolling with the
Send it
punches.
out, brother.
We're
Send
going
it
out. Mike Lindell from My Pillow is standing right here in cardboard cutout form, and I'm having a great time with a beer. I wish you guys the best. Let's take you around, and we'll say goodbye later. Cheers.
Demonetized hats. Go get them.
Oh yeah, check out the demonetized hats. These things are pretty dope. They're available. Link in bios and descriptions. Fattech.com. Go to the influencer section. You can find my name, Tundra Tactical, right there. We got a couple of designs up there if you want to check it out. Thanks, Megan. This is why we keep her around, folks. Put a ring on good ladies like that. Thank you, Seated Table, for not kicking me out for filming here. Hopefully I wasn't too obnoxious, and I hope to be back down here permanently to cover a lot more of this, man. A lot of cool stuff coming for the Tundra Nation. Thanks to the Rumble folks out there. We love you guys, and we'll see you soon. Remember, all gun laws are infringements, and the ATF is gay. Bye. Make sure to click the link in the description down below, fanofthem.com/Tundra Tactical. Grab some limited edition channel merch or a digital download. Get your automatic entry and a chance to win the amazing Zev Heartbreaker, folks. Woo-hoo! I swear to God, it's not an April Fool's joke. Let's have some fun.
Sir, can you put your hands on the yellow circles, please?
Go away, Boyden.
Wrong answer.
Control is now terminated.